students, myself Mehul Pasha, and today in this session we will continue with the problems of exercise 3.2 of linear equations in one variable. Students, let us see 7th question. The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. Find the multiples. So what they have given, students? The sum of three consecutive multiples of 8 is 888. And we need to find those three consecutive numbers. Students, what are the multiples of 8? 8, 16, 24, 32, okay, 40 and so on. So look at it, students. First you consider 8, okay. So if you want to get next multiple, then what you need to add to 8? 8 only, no. If you add 8 to 8, then you will get next multiple, that is 16 next. And if you want to get second multiple, then what you need to add to 8? Okay, so here you need to add 16. Okay, if you add 16 to 8, then you will get second multiple as 24. Students, here we don't know what are those consecutive multiples. Okay, so let us take the first consecutive multiple be x. Let the first consecutive multiple of 8 equals to x. Okay, then the second consecutive multiple of 8 is equals to x plus 8. Okay, first is x, second is x plus 8. The third consecutive multiple of 8 is what? X plus 16. So what they have given, students? When we add the three consecutive multiples, what we need to get? 888. Okay. Sum of consecutive multiples equals to 888. Okay, according to question. Okay, according to the question. So look at here. X plus 8 plus x plus 16 equals to 888. Okay, now x plus x, that is 3x. 8 plus 16, that is 24, equals to 888. So now transpose this 24 that side. So it will be 3x is equals to 88 minus 24. Okay, then 3x is equals to what? 864. Okay, then what you are getting? 3x is equals to 864. So what we got, students? 3x is equals to 864. So now x is equals to 864 by 3. Okay, so you need to transpose this 3 towards right side. So it will be 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 2 remaining 26, 3 8s are 24, 2 remaining again 4, 3 8s are 24. Okay, so what is x is equals to 288. Okay, so here, students, what is x? S is the first multiple. Then we need to find second and third multiple. Okay, so therefore first consecutive multiple of 8 equals to x equals to what? 288. Next, the second consecutive multiple of 8 is equals to x plus 16 is equals to 288 plus 16 equals to 296. Okay, So here the third consecutive multiple of 8 equals to x plus 24, that is 288 plus 24 equals to 304. Okay, so look at here students. So what are those three consecutive multiples? That is 288, 296 and 304 are the three consecutive multiples. So when we add up these three consecutive multiples, so what we are getting? We are getting 888. Now we'll see 8th question. Three consecutive integers are such that when they are taken in increasing order and multiplied by 2, 3 and 4 respectively, they add up to 74. Find these numbers. Okay, so here students, there are three consecutive integers, and when those three consecutive integers are arranged in increasing order, and after that when it is multiplied by 2, 3 and 4. Okay, next when we add those three integers after multiplying with the respective numbers, then what we are getting? We are getting 74. Okay, so we need to find what are those numbers. Students, let us take the first consecutive integers as x. Let the first consecutive integer equals to x. Now we need to take the integers in increasing order. Okay, so if suppose we have considered the first integer as x, the next integer will be x plus 1, and further the next integer will be x plus 2. Okay, then the second consecutive integer equals to x plus 1. The third consecutive integer equals to x plus 2. Okay, so here the first consecutive integer is x, then the second consecutive integer is x plus 1, the third consecutive integer is x plus 2. Okay, so now we need to multiply these three consecutive integers with the 2, 3 and 4. Multiply first consecutive. So here students, I will be writing shortcut. Okay, integer with 2. Okay, so here students, we need to multiply first consecutive integer with the 2. Okay, if the first integer is x, then we need to multiply 2 with the x, that is 2x. Multiply the 2 integer with the 3. Okay, second integer is x plus 1, so we need to multiply 3 into x plus 1. Multiply third consecutive integer with 4. Okay, so here 4 into third integer is x plus 2. Okay, so more sum of digits is equals to 74. Now according to the question, okay, so look at your students. According to the question, what is there? 2x plus 3 into x plus 1 plus 4 into x plus 2 equals to 74. Okay, when we multiply the consecutive integers with 2, 3 and 4, and when we add them, so what we need to get? We need to get 74. Okay, so 2x plus, students, here 3 into x is what? 3x plus 3 ones are 3. Next 4 into x is 4x plus 4 2s are 8 equals to 74. Okay. Now let us add like terms, that is 2x plus 3x plus 4x will be what? 9x. 9x plus, okay, 3 plus 8 is how much, students? 11. 3 plus 8 is 11 equals to 74. Now transpose this plus 11 towards the right side. So it will be 9x is equals to 74 minus 11. Next, what you are reading? 9x is equals to 74 minus 11 is how much, students? 63. 74 minus 11 is 63. So now transpose 9 towards the right side. So x is equals to 63 divided by 9. So 9 ones are 9. 9 sevens are 63. So here what is the value of x, students? The value of x is what? 7. Okay. The value of x is 7. Students, now we need to find the consecutive integers now. Therefore, the first integer equals to, what is the first integer? X. That is x is equals to 7. The second integer is equals to x plus 1. That is 7 plus 1 equals to 8. Okay. The third integer is equals to x plus 2. That is 7 plus 2 is how much? 9. Okay. So here, students, what are those consecutive integers? The consecutive integers are 7, 8 and 9. Now let us see ninth question. The ages of Rahul and Harun are in the ratio 5:7. 4 years later, the sum of their ages will be 56. What are their present ages? Okay. So here there are two friends, that is Rahul and Harun. They have given the ratio of their ages. Okay. That is 5:7. After 4 years. Okay. After 4 years, the sum of their ages will be 56. So what we need to find? We need to find the present age of Rahul as well as Harun. Let the present age of Rahul equals to 5x. The present age of Harun equals to 7x. After 4 years. Okay. So now after 4 years, the age of Rahul. Students, if the present age of Rahul is 5x, means what will be his age after 4 years? 5x plus 4 years. Okay. Now, the age of Harun. If the present age of Harun is 7x, then after 4 years, his age will be 7x plus 4 years. Okay. So now, these are the ages of Rahul and Harun after 4 years. Sum of their ages. Okay. Sum of their ages is equals to how much, students? 56 years. According to question. So look at your students, according to question, what they are given. After 4 years, the sum of age of Rahul and Harun is how much? 56. Okay. So after 4 years, what are their ages? That is 5x plus 4, 7x plus 4. Okay. So here 5x plus 4 plus 7x plus 4 equals to how much? 56. So here there is a plus in between. Add like terms, that is 5x plus 7x is 12x plus 4 plus 4 is 8 equals to 56. Transpose this plus 8 towards that side. Okay, it will be 12x is equals to 56 minus 8. Okay, now 12x is equals to 56 minus 8 is what? 48. 8. Okay, so now again transpose this 12 that side, so it will be x is equals to 48 by 12. Okay, so now 12 ones are 12, 12 fours are 48. So what is the value of x here, students? The value of x is what? 4. Okay, so here the value of x is 4. What we need to find? We need to find the present age of Rahul as well as Harun. Therefore, the age of Rahul equals to 5x is equals to how much? 5 into what is x? 4, that is 5 4s are 20 years. Okay, the next, the age of Harun equals to 7x is equals to 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is 28. Okay, so here what are the ages of Rahul and Harun? The age of Rahul is 20 years and that of Harun is 28 years. Let us see the 10th question. Okay, the number of boys and girls in a class are in the ratio 7:5. The number of boys is 8 more than the number of girls. So what is the total class strength? Okay, so here what they have given? They have given the ratio of boys to girls is how much? 7:5, and they have given one more clue, that is the number of boys is 8 more than that of the girls. So here what we need to find? We need to find the total strength of the class. Now let us take the number of girls as x. Okay, let the number of girls equals to x, then the number of boys equals to x plus 8. Okay, according to question. So according to question, what they have given? Ratio of boys to that of the girls is how much? 7:5. That is x plus 8 divided by x is equals to 7 by 5. Okay, so ratio of boys to that of girls is what? 7 by 5. Okay, so here this is a boys strength and this is a girls strength and this is a boys ratio and this is a girls ratio. Okay, so here now we'll cross multiply, that is we need to multiply 5 with this expression and we need to multiply x with this number. Okay, so now we'll multiply 5 into x plus 8 is equals to x into 7 is 7x. Okay, so here 5 into x will be 5x plus 5 into 8 will be 40. 5 8s are 40 equals to 7x. Okay, now transpose this 5x towards right side, so it will be 40 is equals to 7x minus 5x. Okay, so what we have got, students? 40 is equals to 7x minus 5x. Then 40 is equals to 7x minus 5x will be 2x, and transfer this to here. Okay, so it will be 40 by 2 is equals to x. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 0 cancel 0. Okay, so what is the value of x here? The value of x is 20. Okay, so what we need to find? So we need to find the number of boys as well as girls. The number of boys equals to, okay, so what is the number of boys? X plus 8, no? X plus 8, that is x equal to what? 20, that is 20 plus 8 is 28. And what is the number of girls? The number of girls is equals to x is equals to how much? 20. Okay, so students, what they have asked to find? They have asked to find the total class strength. Okay, therefore the total strength of the class equals to 28 plus 20. Okay, so 28 plus 20, that is 48 students. Okay, so what is the total strength of the class, students? The total strength of the class is how much? 48 students. Let us look at the 11th question. Okay, so Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather and 29 years older than Baichung. The sum of ages of all the three is 135 years. What is the age of each of one of them? Okay, so here there are three persons, that is Baichung's father and his grandfather. Okay, so they have given certain clue, so we need to find the ages of each of them. Now let us take the age of Baichung as x years. Okay, let the age of Baichung equals to x years. Then the age of his father equals to, okay. So look at here, Baichung's father is 29 years older than Baichung. If the age of Baichung is x, means the age of Baichung's father is x plus 29 years. Okay. Next, the age of his grandfather. So we know that Baichung's father is 26 years younger than Baichung's grandfather. It means that Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father. Okay. So now x plus 29 plus, this is the age of Baichung's father. Okay. As Baichung's grandfather is 26 years older than Baichung's father, so Baichung's grandfather age is x plus 29 plus 26 years. Okay. Next, what they have given? The sum of their ages, okay, equals to 135 years. Next, according to the question. Okay, so here I will be writing shortcut. According to the question, what they are given? Sum of the ages of 3. That is x plus 29 plus x plus 29 plus 26 is equals to what? 135. Okay. Now x plus x is how much? 3x plus 29 plus 29 plus 26 how much? 84 equals to 135. Okay. Now what we have got? 3x plus 84 is equals to 135. So now transpose this 84 towards right side. That is 3x is equals to 135 minus 84. 3x is equals to 135 minus 84 is how much? 51. Okay. Now x is equals to 51 by 3. Okay. So now 3 ones are 3. 3 ones are 3. 2 remain here. 1. 3 7s are 21. So what is the value of x here? X is equals to 70. So now what we need to find? We need to find their ages. Therefore, Baichung's age equals to x equals to how much? 70 years. Next, Baichung's father's age equals to x plus 29. Okay, that is equals to 17 plus 29. Okay, that is 46 years. Now, Baichung's grandfather's age. Father's age equals to, okay, so here x plus 29 plus 26. Okay, that is 17 plus 29 plus 26. How much? 17 plus 29 plus 26 is how much? 72. Okay, so here what are their ages? 17, 46 and 72 years.